For as long as people have walked the earth, they've wondered how to fly. We have spent more than a decade crafting tools for dreamers. Now, we're going one step beyond with an immersive experience unlike anything else. Introducing DJI FPV. The world's first ready-to-fly FPV drone that lets users of any skill level feel the thrill of immersive flight. We've also revolutionized the FPV experience by creating the DJI Motion Controller, a compact device that enables ultra-intuitive flight based purely on hand motions. With the standard remote controller, 3 distinct flight modes offer multiple options for anyone to fly FPV. Start with N mode for an immersive experience with traditional flight controls. S mode simplifies FPV controls for an exciting hybrid flight. Activate M mode to unlock unlimited flight controls. Now the only boundaries are your skills and imagination. No matter which controller or flight mode you're using, enable emergency brake and hover with one tap to stop and hover in place. The Return to Home button will bring the drone back automatically to its starting location and land it safely. DJI O3 transmission system delivers crystal clear, hyper-immersive image quality with ultra-low latency. DJI FPV also features a robust modular design. The fully integrated camera records every breathtaking move in crisp detail, putting you right in the middle of the scene, thanks to a super wide 150-degree FOV. Footage stays super smooth thanks to integrated rock-steady technology. This is DJI FPV.
DJI FPV Drone, a new 2021 gadget. Hello and welcome to our channel Smart Gadgets. Don't forget to subscribe. Redefine flying, rip through the sky. With speed, power and complete control. Go into the beyond and redefine flying. DJI FPV Drone, DJI FPV Goggles V2, DJI FPV Remote Controller 2 available. Now DJI Motion Controller, fly through the sky in ways that seem impossible. We never lost our passion for flying, and with DJI FPV, those passions have turned imagination into reality. With this immersive and intuitive aerial platform, get ready to go into the beyond. Immersive flight experience. DJI FPV Drone stands at a price of $1,070 in US dollars and €1,299. 4K/60 FPS super wide FOV. HD low latency transmission. Brand new S mode. Intuitive motion controller. Emergency brake and hover. FPV has never looked this good. DJI FPV stands out in more ways than one. Sporting front LEDs and aircraft arm lights with customizable color. DJI FPV allows pilots to make their aircraft as unique as they are. Feel the thrill of immersive flight provided by the DJI FPV Goggles V2 and DJI FPV's super wide 150 degrees FOV. 1.2 HD video transmission at up to 120 FPS gives you an ultra-smooth, real-time view of your flight. 84 degrees super wide angle 120. Whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or a complete beginner, DJI FPV offers 3 intuitive flight modes that let anyone fly confidently from day one. S mode. Get the dynamic look of FPV footage easily in S mode. This hybrid flight mode combines the freedom of flying manually with the simplified controls of previous DJI drones. N mode. Ideal for new users, N mode offers immersive flight with traditional drone flight controls along with DJI safety features like obstacle sensing. M mode. Fly in M mode for complete, limitless control and the full FPV flight experience. Customize parameters and enjoy flight and footage unlike anything else. 4. 0-100 kph. 2.0 stunningly intuitive. Take your flight experience to new heights with the DJI motion controller. This compact device allows the aircraft to maneuver based on your natural hand motions. This isn't just an FPV innovation. It's an entirely new way to fly. Even for experts, manual FPV flight can be intimidating. That's why DJI FPV comes with an emergency brake and hover feature. Simply press this button on the remote controller while flying in any mode, at any speed, and the aircraft will stop and hover stably within a few seconds. Advanced safety features. An auxiliary bottom light, smart return to home, RTH, low battery RTH, and forward and downward obstacle sensing are all integrated into DJI FPV to help ensure a safe flight, even at high speeds. Powerful propulsion capabilities combined with a 150-degree super-wide FOV provide an unrivaled view. 4x slow motion, rock-steady stabilization, and distortion correction give pilots even smoother, more dramatic results. Unreal footage. The DJI FPV aircraft can record 4K/60 FPS video at up to 120 megabits per second, capturing crisp details that make footage look as exhilarating as the flight. 120 megabits per second. Bitrate 4K/60 FPS. Video. Rock-steady stabilization. No matter how dynamic your maneuvers get, rock-steady ice technology ensures your footage is ultra-smooth. The DJI O3, OcuSync 3.0, transmission system was adapted to match the unique needs of DJI FPV. Enjoy crystal-clear real-time video transmission, even at distances of up to 10 kilometers. Auto-switching for seamless signal. DJI FPV supports auto-switching between 2.4 and 5.8 GHz frequencies and provides a video transmission bitrate of up to 50 megabits per second. 8. Significantly reducing stutter and compression artifacts. High-gain antennas on the aircraft include 3 transmitters and 4 receivers to enhance signal, resulting in a stable, reliable video feed. Easily replaceable parts. The gimbal camera, landing gear, and top shell of the DJI FPV aircraft are all modular and easily replaceable, making repairs more convenient. DJI Care Refresh is also available, offering coverage for a wide range of damage and giving you greater peace of mind as you fly. The DJI Virtual Flight app. The DJI Virtual Flight app allows users to practice flying in lifelike, simulated scenarios before taking off in the real world. Simply connect the DJI FPV Goggles V2 and remote controller, and you're ready to master flight in a risk-free virtual environment. Bring someone along with Audience Mode. DJI FPV supports Audience Mode. Just set other DJI FPV Goggles V2 units to your aircraft channel and you're ready to share the view from above. Take a closer look from every angle. Get a feel for what it is like to own DJI FPV in advance. Click and drag the image to view. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment below for any question.
For any question, comment below to speak to the doctor. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.